Hello, my name is Dewey Nguyen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an appointment. First, log in with your PIN. Go ahead and hit the home button at the bottom and then appointments. From here, hit book at the top right corner. Select the date. We'll do the 24th, and then select the time. We'll do 4:30. Select the services that the customer wants. Hit done. Put in their name. And fill out all the information. After that, hit book. From here, you can see the appointment's been made for Dewey. And then one more thing. And then when you go to cashier, you'll see a pop-up bubble right here. This will display all your upcoming appointments for the day. When you're ready to check out, just go ahead, hold the bubble, and slide it over, and you can pay from here. Basically, that is how you create an appointment. Thank you.